welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Monique. I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and click the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So it's the beginning of 2022 and everywhere I see is an updated wish list luxury by the luxury YouTubers. So I figure I'm going to go back to my forever wish list luxury and update that list, see if I've purchased anything from that list, and see if I would like to add to the list. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave the link down below. I think I uploaded it in 2020. I don't really do this wish list every year because I don't really have a big wish list every year. My wish lists just tend to be the same thing, and it takes some time for me to fulfill my wish list. So let's go ahead with my forever luxury wish list from 2020. The first one, I have the Chanel Camellia ring, which has been on my wish list for years. I love this ring so much. I'm really excited to add this to my collection as a celebration ring, maybe an anniversary ring. So to update you, I did pull the trigger on this ring, but I don't have it with me yet physically because it is still waiting for me in New York, and I'm just too afraid to ship anything here because either they're going to text me like crazy or it might get lost in the delivery. So I'm going to have to pick it up next time I go to New York. Number 2 on my list is the Van Cleef vintage Alhambra necklace. I really want it in the 20 motif style. So it can be long, but also you can style it and make it shorter if you double it. I'm still in love with this necklace. I still want it in my life. I don't know when because, as we know, it is so expensive. I might just go ahead with the 10 motifs or get the bracelet instead. But honestly, I don't have any deadline for when it would happen. Number 3 on my list is the Tiffany bone cuff, which was designed by Elsa Peretti. And I'm happy to update you that, of course, I added it to my collection. I purchased this from my last trip to New York in October 2021. If you haven't seen the unboxing video and you haven't checked out my New York vlogs, I would leave the link down below so you can check them out. So I did purchase the cuff. It's so shiny and so beautiful. I'm still too afraid to wear it. Love this. I purchased this for my right hand because with the bone cuff you have to choose whether you want the right or the left because of this part right here, which is supposed to go to this part of your wrist. Okay, so next on my list, number 4 is the Hermes CDC bracelet. So this list was made in 2020 as mentioned, and I actually have purchased the CDC bracelet quite a long time ago and I love it. I think it goes with everything. It is so amazing. Mine is in black with the gold hardware. I really love it also in the palladium hardware. So in the future, I would like to add another one to my collection. I think this CDC bracelet is very versatile. It goes with every outfit. Number 5 on my list is the Tiffany hardware necklace in the gold. I think it's rose gold. I can't remember. But I love this necklace. I'm not sure if I still want to add it to my collection because the price of this necklace is just too insane in my opinion for just like, you know, a plain 18 karat gold necklace. I did purchase a few chunky gold chain from my recent trip to New York. So I'm kind of pretty happy with the gold chain that I have. So if I find this at a reseller's market with a really good price, maybe I'll pull the trigger, but I really don't want to spend the retail price for it. Number 6 on my list is the Hermes Kelly bag. This bag is still on top of my list. 4 bags. I don't have a lot of handbags on my list. Honestly, if I could only add 1 bag and that's it, I can't buy any other bags, this will be it. I just want the Kelly bag to complete my collection because I think this bag is so beautiful, and it's a bag that is also very versatile in my opinion. You can wear it casually with jeans and t-shirt, but you can also dress up with this bag. It's just so beautiful, and it's a bag that lasts forever. So it is still on top of my list in terms of handbags. I did try to get a Kelly bag when I was in New York last time, and it did not happen. I made a video about it, so you can also check it out if you want to. Number 7, and it happens to be the last on my list from my 2020 Forever wish list. It's the Chanel reissue in the size 225, and I actually picked up my baby, which I've purchased from December 2019, but I couldn't pick up till last year from New York, and it's the beautiful reissue in 225. It's just perfect. It's with the gold hardware. I think it's such a classic. I love this bag. Love this size. It's the perfect size for reissue for me, in my opinion. I really love it. I'm so happy to have her in my collection. Now, do I want to add anything to my collection? Honestly, since my New York trip, I don't really have a lot of things on my wish list. I don't really crave for any other bags except for the Kelly bag. I mean, I don't mind to add a clutch to my collection because I think clutches are always so chic. Especially if you are dressing up a little bit more, you don't really want to carry like a crossbody bag. I don't think it looks really cute with some outfits. So a clutch would be nice to add to the collection, but I don't have anything specific that I have on my wish list. I do love the Bottega clutch. I mean, who doesn't? I think it's really classic. They've had it for years, and recently it's just making such a huge comeback. I also don't mind getting a clutch from Chanel. I think that would be special as well. So yeah, I don't have anything specific, but I don't mind adding a clutch to my collection. And it doesn't have to be like really expensive as well. I don't mind something simple and classic in design. But I do want to add one thing that I really want to get is the Margiela Tabby boots. I have always been really into Margiela, and recently I really want to get these boots finally to my collection. I really wanted for years, and it's not everyone's cup of tea. It's like really polarizing pair of boots. You either love it or you don't. So you either get it or you don't, and I love it so much. And I'm thinking either black or white or dark brown, and I want it to be not too high, so something like within 2 inches range, so I can wear it and walk for hours on a daily basis. I almost pulled the trigger and order it from Essence, but I'm really afraid of ordering things like that online here because of, you know, past experiences. It hasn't been amazing because I'm really afraid of, you know, it's getting lost or me being taxed like insane. Also, I really want to try the Tabby boots in person. I think it's really important to see whether or not it would be comfortable to wear. My feet are a little bit on the wider side, so I want to try it in person and see if they're actually comfortable. So other than the Tabby boots, I don't really have a particular thing on my wish list. I'm really more into clothes nowadays. I really love Issey Miyake. I really love Pleats Please. I would love to add more Chanel ready to wear to my collection. I also really want to add anything from the Chanel 2019 Matière d'Ave from the Paris, New York Egyptian collection. So that's it, guys. That is my updated luxury wish list for 2022. Let me know in the comment section down below what is on top of your wish list now. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!